guys, this is Poonam and today I'm going to talk about another new launch in India. Yes, it's the Garnier Micellar Waters. These are basically like makeup removers. This one is oil infused, this one is a regular one for daily use. So I'm here to give you an honest review on these two micellar waters, and do you really need to go crazy about these? But before that, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, click on the red subscribe button below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And yes, let's quickly get started with the video. These are the two micellar waters launched in India. This one is Garnier Cleansing Water. It's a plain like micellar water, it doesn't have any oil. It says apply onto face, eyes and lips with some cotton pads without rubbing, no rinsing required. Second one is this Garnier oil infused cleansing water. The direction for use for this one is shake well before use and apply onto face, eyes and lips with some cotton pads without rubbing, no rinsing required. Now first let's talk about the packaging. So both have like pretty similar packaging. This is the smaller version, we have a bigger version as well. This is 125 ml, this one is for 175 and this one is for 225. There's a 50 rupees difference. Both are dermatologically tested, ophthalmologically tested, and this one is suitable for sensitive skin types as well, and this one is for all skin types. And both claims that there is no rinse off required, which is a pretty big statement because usually we have to wash our face after removing makeup because there is some residue left on our skin and we definitely don't want to sleep with those residues. So we have to clean our face like completely, wash it off with a regular cleanser, and they claim that we don't need that. So we'll see, like after cleansing with these, do they take completely like everything from our face? We'll check that. So let's get started. I'll be using this oil infused one on my right side and the regular one on my left side. And I have this Maybelline Matting lipstick in the shade Pioneer on my lips. So we'll see how well this perform. So you see, definitely the makeup removed by the regular one is slightly less than the oil one. Obviously the oil can dissolve it much better. Next test is going to be lips. I'll just fold it. Impressive. It breaks down the matting formula. It couldn't take out completely in one swipe, but that's okay. It's a super duper long lasting lipstick. Now let's see if the regular one can do it. Nah, it's not possible for this one. If you ask me, I'll definitely recommend you guys to try the oil infused one because the regular one doesn't remove the makeup properly. Well, the next thing I'm going to try is to see if they leave any residue behind because they say no rinse required. So we'll see that, but first let me clean up all the mess. I need to do less efforts to remove my makeup using the oil infused one compared to the regular one. I just feel I have to use quite a lot of amount because if I use less, the cotton will scratch my face. That's, I feel, a slight disadvantage for me because I'm used to using oils and wet wipes. And let me know if you would like to see a comparison video with this Garnier Micellar Waters on one side and oil and a wet wipe on another side. When it says no rubbing, just gently press and swipe, I don't think it really works because I rub my face and this press and swipe thing is a little gimmicky for me. But let me know, what do you think about this? Does it work for you, just the press and swipe? I'm not really sure, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Well, the thing I really like is I can remove my kohl with this very easily. It doesn't sting my eyes. Now I have soaked 2 cotton rounds completely with my face makeup and I feel I still have something left on my face. So I'll use a clean one and then wipe my face, and then we'll test if there is any makeup residue left on my face. With a clean cotton round as my last. I'll be using a toner to test if this works. So another cotton round fully drenched with makeup. I feel I have to use so many cotton rounds to remove my makeup because with the wet wipe I just need one, and then with the face wash I'm just done. I guess now I have removed everything from my face. It is as clean as I can get with these makeup removers. You see that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this toner. This is the La Roche-Posay Effect La Duo. So basically this is a toner which works, which lifts everything from your skin, like any residue. So a clean cotton round, and I'm pouring it a little bit. So now I have it saturated with this toner. So just keeping my fingers crossed, let's see if it picks up anything. I'm not talking about eyes or the residue lipstick or the kajal. I'm talking about the skin. Comment below before watching the results. What do you think? Will there be a makeup left on my skin? So time for the results. You see this? It has so much of makeup residue left on my face. I have used 3 full cotton rounds to remove my makeup, and then when I'm using a toner, I still have the makeup residue left. So I'll suggest you, if you wear a lot of makeup, go to your regular method of using an oil or a wet wipe. That will be much more affordable. But if you are not into that much of a makeup and just wear a kajal or a lipstick or maybe a little bit of BB cream, then you can definitely go with these micellar waters. I have nothing against this Garnier Micellar Waters, but I feel this point wasn't like considered by any one of you, so I thought of throwing some light because that is really important. If it leaves residue on your skin, then you have to clean it up, you have to wash your face, because otherwise you might wake up with few pimples here and there. So yes, that's it from me today, and I really hope you guys like this video and find it helpful. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in comment section below if you have tried this Garnier Micellar Waters and what are your thoughts on them. Are you going to sleep without washing your face, or you just wash your face after a cleanser and it doesn't matter what it says? Let me know in comment section below. Would love to hear it from you, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.